Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to explain how you can create campaigns in Smartlead that are both RTL and are in Hebrew. That means that the text is aligned properly and the prospect's name is in Hebrew or any other data point that you want to provide your Smartlead campaign. So let's dive right in. The first thing that we want to do is to get a list. I'm gonna use Clay just for this video's sake. Let's just scrape a list. Let's do CEOs in Tel Aviv, for example. And let's filter them. Experience, minimum months, let's do 24. Just for the filter's sake. Okay, we got 100 people. Let's import. All of these are Clay stuff. Use it if you want. I'm not gonna use it for this demonstration. Now that we got a list of people, the first thing that we want to do is to translate every data point that is needed. For example, let's do first name because that's the most important one, obviously. What we want to do is log into Clay. You need an OpenAI API key connected to Clay. Then generate text. You can also use Clay credits, but it's very expensive. We're gonna use the key and set it on 3.5 because we don't need any crazy capabilities. And I've already created a template. So we want the first name translate from English to Hebrew. Okay, so let's type it in right here. First name. We can also provide it with examples. Well, let's give it 2 examples. And let's save. Run on 10 rows. We'll see that it works properly. Once we have everything, we want to change this column's name to Hebrew first name, and I will explain later exactly why. Once we have all the names, I recommend, it depends on the list, but I recommend going over it and ensuring the quality of the translations, that you didn't get anything wrong. Okay, for this one. Once we've got everything, changed it to Hebrew first name, we have the first name. You can do this process to every column that is needed, whether it's the job title, location, whatever. You can just simply translate using ChatGPT, OpenAI's API key, and we want to export this. Once we've exported our list, we're ready to start building out our campaign on Smartlead. Now, very important, once we create our campaign, let's do test Hebrew. Now, very important, first name should be first name. Why? Because after launching the campaign, once managing the leads, we don't want it to be half Hebrew, half English. That means that once you get replies in the master inbox, it will appear as first name in Hebrew, last name in English. It creates confusion in all the systems, automations, everything that you need afterwards. So I highly recommend making first name remain as first name in English, so it will be organized, and the Hebrew first name, just import it as a custom field. Now, after importing everything to your campaign, you start building it. If I put here, just for example, Hebrew first name, We got it here. And what we want to do, the only thing that needs to be done that is irregular is you need to add a code that will make it right to left. Okay? So if you press here on the three dots, copy this code and put it here. Save changes. Okay? Now, if I write in Hebrew, you see the question mark is on the left, as it's supposed to be if you are writing in Hebrew. If I delete this piece of code, it goes to the right. Okay, so let's put it back here. Save changes, then final review, and that's it. Once everything is set up, put your inboxes here, set up everything, final review, and launch the campaign and enjoy leads coming in. If you've enjoyed this video, my name is Guys, and if you need help with creating campaigns in Hebrew, English, or even Swahili, I'm here to help you. Shoot me a DM on social media. I'm on LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Instagram. And yeah, hope you enjoyed and got value and have an amazing day.